I am changing my idea yet again. Sewing gods have not forgiven me for something. Hey guys, welcome back to What's Sewing On. Last week I had mentioned that I was going to be doing my dream dress dream project this week. Unfortunately, my sweet baby boy is sick. He's not doing too well. He went to the vet, hasn't been eating, hasn't been drinking. Anytime he drinks, it just comes right back up. Not sure if he ate something or if he caught a bug. Now on antibiotics, and he had a bunch of tests done, so just waiting to get those results back. I think he might be doing a little bit better today. He actually barked for the first time. If anybody has watched my outtakes, you'll know that he is a barky dog when he's outside because he loves to yell at squirrels. So he actually barked for the first time this afternoon. So I was pretty happy about that. Breaks your heart. So I want to make sure that I give that project the proper attention, proper time. And with the past almost 3 days with no sleep and letting him outside every half an hour to 2 hours, I just not in the right headspace to make that dress yet. So I've decided to do something different. I'm actually going to be doing a Pinafore dress made out of a tablecloth. So I got this tablecloth at a thrift store and it's actually really cool fabric. I love the color. It's heavy, so I think it will look really nice. So I'm going to be taking this Lyric 4200 pattern. It's very cute. It's basically what I kind of envisioned for the dress I did a few dresses ago. It was the yellow gingham bed sheet that I made a matching skirt and shirt set for. I'm not going to be doing the ruffle, and I'm going to be putting a zip down the back. I know I've hated on buttons in the past. I actually don't mind doing buttonholes. I'm getting quite good at them. But I just thought with this dress, with the crisscross back, it might just be easier just to have a zipper. I like the patch pocket. I think it looks cute, but I don't know if it's the style I want to go for. Maybe I won't even do pockets. Good one. So I'm gonna go show everyone the fabric and then get cutting. First I'm going to start with the darts and sewing them together. So I've notched off where they are. I'm just going to fold those in and then sew down the line. The darts are in and I pressed them. Now, according to the pattern, I skipped a step and I attached the facing together, and then I just did a rolled hem at the very bottom to clean it up for the inside. So now I have to pin the front pieces to the back bodice, sew that together, press it, attach the facing all along the top, fold that under, press it all together. So I'm going to get started on that, and then the bodice will be basically finished. I'll just let you sleep then. So I finished stitching together the bodice and I've just flipped over the facing. I'm really on the fence about even making a pocket. I feel like I'm personally offending so many people right now for not putting a pocket into a dress slash skirt. I'm gonna go put the skirt pieces together and then I'm going to look at the next step. All right, skirt is all put together and it's way too big. Shocking. I didn't cut these out, they came pre-cut. And it's actually a good thing that I decided not to do the ruffle because those pieces are missing. But that's kind of what you get whenever you thrift your patterns. I was reading this. E-stitch upper edge of skirt between center backs. To E-stitch, stitch along seam line using long machine stitches. The dress picture doesn't have like gathers or anything. It looks like it's just smooth, but this seems to suggest I need to base the front, pin it, pull it, and stitch to ease. How do people use patterns all the time? My gosh, no wonder people make their own. So I'm gonna go pin it all together and then stitch it together. So I've put the dress together. Sorry, Mike. So next I have to do the straps, put the zipper in, do the hem, finish all my seams, and that's it. Monkey. I am calling it a night. Just about finished. I just have to put on the buttons and a clasp in the back, give it a final press, and cut off any loose threads. So the reveal will be tomorrow. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks really cute. I know there's definitely some things I need to fix and to practice, but for the most part, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. My next video will be out next week, so I'll see you all there. His big sad eyes. So I'm using this Butterick. Why can't I just say the number, 4,200? I hate that a lot of patterns don't put what year it was made or printed. Ugh. Oh, rocking the same hairstyle. That was not intentional, I swear. Wait, she's doing it on this side. Maybe I'll just recreate. You're so handsome. You're the most handsome boy. I don't know what to do with my face.